What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different though. I'm going to be working on my truck. It's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado C71 4x4. I'm going to be working on improving the storage space on it. Yeah, trucks have a lot of storage space, like they have a lot of cargo space, but for small things, like if you're carrying, let's say, some headlights that you don't want to get damaged, or tools, or even groceries, they're not very good for that because you throw them on the bed and they just roll all over the place. Most of my groceries, I just throw them on the back seat, and by the time I get home, the milk's over there, the juice is here. Yeah, so we're gonna be working on that today. And I know what you guys are wondering, is this gonna turn into a truck channel now? And no, don't worry guys, I still have my cars. I'm just posting more because some of you guys commented that you guys wanted to see the rest of my cars, so that's why I'm doing this video today. But no, it's not gonna turn into all exclusive truck channel. I'm still gonna be working on the cars, the 4G, the VR4, and I have some more cars to show you, so stay tuned for that. But yes, you'll definitely see more videos about the truck, and I don't think I'm gonna be doing performance mods on it because it's not a race truck, it's a 4x4 off-roading truck, and I bought it to carry parts, tow my cars to racing events, so just improving the utility of the vehicle is mostly what I'm gonna be doing videos on, and probably fixing it. If anything breaks, I'll do a video on that. First of all, let me show you a little walk around of my truck. So yeah guys, let's get started.
The installation of this toolbox is super simple. First, we thread in the provided bolts to the brackets, only about halfway through so we can have wiggle room during the installation. We then install the cargo nets that are held on by these anchors.
Now we need to remove this 18mm hex nut. And we also need to remove it on the other side. Now we insert these there, and also this side. Now we can reinstall our hex nut. Also on this side. Now we tighten it down. That's good. Now we can tighten down these bolts.
And that's it, pretty simple, but it's going to be of so much help by preventing my tools and parts from rolling all over the place.
So I try to reply to everyone that comments. Sometimes YouTube doesn't notify me, or I don't get the notifications for it. I've checked my settings, I've changed my settings already to make sure I get notifications for comments and replies, but sometimes I just don't get them. So if I didn't reply to you, don't worry, I will get to it. If I take too long, comment again. Sorry about that, but maybe I'll see it this time. But I do occasionally scroll through every comment section to make sure I got through all the questions. I try to help out as much as I can. I know there's a lot of people out there that are starting maybe with their first car, or they're barely starting to work on their car and they need some help. I remember when I was there, so I try to help everyone out.
Is it true that they've been comparing you to Chris Fix?
There was this one time where they told me if I was Chris Fix's cousin, and I was like, not sure.